Hi, this is Isla, an AI receptionist from Artisan Bakery. How can I help you today?
Hi, Isla. What ingredients do you use in your dog treats? And are you also able to make custom birthday cakes for dogs, or what do you guys make?
At Artisan Bakery, we use all natural, human-grade ingredients in our dog treats. No preservatives, fillers, or artificial colors here. We also cater to pets with allergies or special diets. And yes, we do make custom birthday cakes for dogs. Our treats come in fun shapes like donuts and cupcakes. Anything else you'd like to know?
So you can do a grain-free treat?
Absolutely. We can make grain-free treats tailored to your pet's dietary needs. Would you like to book an appointment or place an order?
Yeah, am I able to see the full treat menu online?
No worries. I can help with that. Would you like to set an appointment to visit us and explore our treat options in person?
Yeah, let's do that if that works. Do you have anything available tomorrow?
Sure. For tomorrow, we have the following slots available: 9:30 a.m., 11:30 a.m., and 1:30 p.m. Which one works best for you?
11:30 works.
Great. I've got you down for 11:30 a.m. tomorrow. Could I have your email address to send you a confirmation?
It's going to be Alex, A-L-I-X, @demo.com.
Thank you, Alex. Your appointment is set for 11:30 a.m. tomorrow. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Would you like to schedule a call with an AI automation expert to learn how our services can benefit your business?
No, thank you.
All right, it was great chatting with you. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.